Little trade recap for today, December 11th. Yeah, I'm gonna break down my thoughts pre-market, before the trade, during the trade, after the trade. So yeah. So going into the day, I actually had somewhat of a bearish bias. The strategy I use to find my bias is um, basically just closes and wicks above or below the candle. So for example, this candle right here was the day before, and then we closed under it. So I was thinking we at least go and either sweep this low or continue lower. And the reason I thought we could continue lower is we have this volume imbalance, and we also have fair value gap right there. So um, I really didn't think we'd get a continuation, but I thought we would at least sweep out that low and move higher. And then yeah, we got CPI at 830, which pushed us up. I was paying attention to this fair value gap right here, because for shorts, I was gonna look for a sweep of this high into this fair value gap and potentially a rejection. Assuming the drawn liquidity is going to be lower into that previous day low. 830 pushed up into it, looked super strong, and then at 9 had this massive candle close above it. So obviously the draw is higher, at least expecting that previous day high to get taken out. And then coming into market open, we were still super strong, continuing up. We put in a low right here, moved up, first presented fair value gap. That was honestly a really good trade entry. But I was still thinking, watching, I didn't see any of this. And what I saw was we're already very extended, rejecting previous day high with the fair value gap. So I kind of wanted to see what happened with the subsequent candles. And yeah, we moved right up, saw this fair value gap get presented, this high broken and closed above, and then I ended up entering on this candle right here. And as you can see, it came super close to stopping me out. I mean, it was within a point of stopping me out, but I put my stop right here under this fair value gap candle, ended up getting a super nice move almost right after our candle, almost immediately. I mean, we had, that's what, yeah, 40-point move in 3 minutes. As soon as we closed above this, which was, if I can go to that level, that was the high of the day before. So right here, as soon as we closed above that level, I moved my stop to break even. And yeah, we were targeting that this high up here that we put in, which was also, let me see, yeah, that was the all-time high, so previous all-time high. So yeah, that was our target. I did sell just short of that because we had this order block right here that I thought we could get a reaction out of. And we actually did right there. So I'm glad I sold. Almost, besides that first 1 minute right there, almost no drawdowns, straight up into our target for 73 points. So very good trade. Only lasted about 15 minutes. And as you can see, we just grinded higher the whole day. Yeah, I was trading 3 micros. I made about a little over $400 on my Apex evaluation account. So overall, a good trade, good lesson on when to flip your bias. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.